If you're tired of the same old chicken and eggs, then you need to hear this. Let's dive into some secretly high-protein foods that'll shake up your diet. First up, edamame. These little green soybeans pack a whopping 17 grams of protein per cup. Munch on them steamed with a pinch of sea salt, or toss them into your salads and stir-fries for an easy protein boost. Next, let's talk cottage cheese. Often overlooked, this creamy delight has 28 grams of protein per cup. Pair it with fresh fruit for a quick snack, or use it as a base for dips and spreads. Now, say hello to pumpkin seeds. Just an ounce of these crunchy seeds gives you 7 grams of protein. Perfect for trail mix oatmeal or roasted with spices for a savory snack. Don't forget about lentils. These tiny powerhouses offer 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Add them to soups, stews, or veggie burgers to keep your meals hearty and nutritious. And finally, quinoa. This trendy grain contains 8 grams of protein per cooked cup and all 9 essential amino acids. Use it in salads, grain bowls, or even breakfast porridge for a protein-packed start to your day. Why do these foods matter? Adding these secretly high-protein options to your diet diversifies your meals and helps you meet your daily protein needs without relying on traditional sources like meat or eggs. So next time you're grocery shopping, don't forget to add these secret protein heroes to your cart. What's your favorite high-protein food? Let us know in the comments. Got results? We do. Visit us at trainatjoes.com or call 973-820-3017 for a free session of our life-changing online personal training service.